Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nadia. Hello, I do makeup, fashion and lifestyle videos. Today's look is about this dark eye, and if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then please continue watching. And if you do like this video, don't forget guys to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
So first up, I'm using the YSL Touche Club Blur Primer all over my face, especially around my lips because I really need it there. And this stuff really smells really good. Then I'm using the NARS concealer on my lids in the shade medium to ginger and a little bit under my eyes as well, just as that base before we do this dark eye. And I'm just blending that all over. Then I'm using this Bobbi Brown Nude palette, and I'm just using one of the shades as a little transition color with a nice fluffy brush. Then I'm going in with the Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette and I'm using the shade Whiskey as just to darken up that transition color. Then I'm using the Lakme Kajal stick all over my eyelid. I really love using this stick, and really don't worry about it smudging or not applying correctly because we are going to blend that out later. But just make sure you get your whole lid. So I'm taking a brush and I'm just kind of blending out the edges very roughly. And I'm taking a brush and I'm using the darkest color from the palette, which is Black Market, just to intensify that color. And I'm just giving it a little bit of a wing as well. It still doesn't matter if it's messy, guys. Sometimes I do a messy eye. Then I'm taking the brush and I'm going in with Whiskey again and blending all that out. I'm taking this brush and I'm using the color High just under my brows and then blending it out again. Can never get enough of the blending. Then I'm taking the color High once again for the inner corners of my eye, just so that it pops a little bit. And I'm blending again. This is not really a perfect eye, but anyway, I love it. Then I'm taking the Anastasia Brow Wiz for my eyebrows, which are always a pain to do. I don't know anyone who has even eyebrows. And I'm just filling that in. And then I'm going in with the Clinique Chubby in the Nude foundation stick, just because it's so easy to use. And I just put that all over my face, a little bit on my nose, my neck. And then I take this beauty blender which is bitten by my dog. But anyway, and I blend all that in. And I take the NARS concealer again and I use that under my eyes. On my forehead, on my nose, Cupid's bow, chin and around my lips. Excuse me if I keep looking on the side, I'm just making sure that you can see me clearly. Then I take the beauty blender, the flat side, and blend that out. Taking this brush, I'm using the color Whiskey and I'm going on the lower lash line. And then I'm taking the dark color Black Market again and just connecting the two. Then I'm using the Urban Decay Glide On Pencil in Perversion in my waterline and the top of my lashes. Then I'm using this Revlon liquid eye pen and trying the winged eye, which is really a task for me, but I'm getting better at it day by day. Then I use the Brow Wiz just to keep my brows in place. I'm using this Too Faced lip primer just so that my lipstick stays put. I'm going in with my lashes and I'm using the MAC Zoom Fast Black Lash, which I absolutely love. I like doing my lower lashes as well. And then I'm taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just setting my whole face. I wish I could use falsies. I may even do a video where I am trying to attempt to wear falsies. Then I'm using the Naked Skin Shifter palette. I'm using the powdered contour, the darkest color, and I'm going to contour my cheeks, on my nose, and just blend that out with the beauty blender. And then I'm taking the MAC blush, which is Peaches, and then I'm using the Urban Decay Afterglow and just using these two shades and highlighting all the top areas of my face. Then I'm using the Maybelline Color Sensational lip color in the shade Iced Caramel, and to finish it all I'm using the Urban Decay. So I really hope you enjoyed watching that, guys, and yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. I will leave all the products that I've used in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you are notified every time I put up a new video. I will put up a video every week. I will try and find a particular day and be more consistent in doing that.